The Great House, Lavenham. Room number 1. Room tour. First thing, we have an antechamber. Really old furniture. Really modern furniture. Mirrors. Hello. And a view of Lavenham itself. I'll take a better view in the morning. So we got here after 5. But you can see the old houses and what have you. Like I said, very new, very old. Oh, and duck. Room number 1, like I said. Nice vanity. Couple of looking out onto the square where we've parked our cars. A set of cupboards in the first. Fridge. Coffee maker. Bottle of wine. Bottle of wine? That can't be right. No. Have to check it out if it's free or not. Tea and coffee, always essential. Iron, because this is the hanging cupboard. But in here we have a fan, a radiator, an air radiator, and hanging space. A fireplace shows the age of the house. It's clearly Georgian. Look at the brickwork. And of course, we have gowns, robes no less. Mind the step, because it's, like all these things, a little tiny. But the requirements, a view out the back. I'll have to do this photos in the day and just slot the photos in. Complimentary shower gels and what have you, loads of towels. Walk-in shower. Ooh. Fancy shower heads. And a modern, but very authentic looking, 4-poster bed. Room 1. Like I said, Lavenham.